Namaste student, Khusro Vidya, IGVin, Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's session we are going about discuss the role of financial institutions in project finance. So let's start the topic. Role of financial institution in project finance. The financial institutions play a role in every economic, and they are regulated by a central government organizations. For banking and non-banking financial institutions, these institutions help in the bridging the gap and between the adult and the saving and investment and the borrowers, and from net servers to net borrowers. Now following are the list of rules and performed by the financial institutions. The regulations of monetary supply and banking services, the insurance services, capital formations and investment advice, the brokerage services, pensions and fund services, and trust fund services, and the financial and small and medium scale enterprise act a government agent, the agent for economic growth. The first is the regulations of monetary supply. Financial institutions like the central bank and help in the regulating the money supply in the economy. They do it maintain an stability and the control inflations. The central bank applies and various measures and like increasing or decreasing repo rate. Repo rate, cash reserve ratio, open market operations, and such that the buying and selling government securities to regulate liquidity in the economy. And banking services. The financial institutions like commercial banks and help their and customers by providing savings and the deposit services. They provide and credit facilities like overdraft and facilities to the customers for the creating and to the needs for short-term funds. And the commercial banks also extend and several kind of loans, the like personal loans and education loans, mortgage and the home loans to their customers. And the insurance services, the insurance financial institutions and like insurance companies and help to the mobilize and saving and investment in productivity and activities. In return, they provide insurance to individuals and agents their life or some and particular assets at the time of need. In other words, and they transfers their customers and risks of loss to themselves. The capital formulations. The financial institutions and help in the capital formations, the such that and the increase in capital stock like the plant, machinery, tools and equipment, buildings, means of transport of communications and etc. They do so by mobilizing and the ideal savings and from the individuals in the economic and to the investors through and various monetary services. Now, next, investment advice. There are a number of investment options available at the disposals of individuals as well as businesses. But in the current shift and the changing environment, and it is the very difficult to choose the best option, and almost all financial institutions and banking or non-banking have an investment advisory and does that helps customers or investors business to choose the best and investment opinion and available in the market according to their risk and other factors. Now, brokerage services. The institutions and provided their investors and across to a number of investment options and available in the market that range from stock, bond, and the common investment alternative to the funds and the private quality equity investment. The lesser known and alternative for the pensions fund services. The pension fund services financial institutions and through their various kind of investment plan help the individuals in planning their retirement and on such investment options in pension funds and where the individuals and contributes to the pool investment set up by employers banks on other organizations and get the lump sum or monthly incomes after retirements. And the trust fund services. Some financial organization provides and trust fund services to their clients and they manage the client's assets. Invest and them in the best opinion and available in the market and take care of its safe keeping as well. Now, financing the small and medium scale enterprise. The financial institutions help small and medium scale enterprise set up themselves in their initial days of business. They provide long term as well as short term funds to these companies. The long term funds and help them in the formations of capital and short term funds fulfill their day to day needs of working capital. Now, act as a government agents for economic growth. The financial institutions are regulated by the government on a national level. They act as a government agent and help in the growth of the nation economy as a whole. For example, to help out and financial institution as per the guideline from the government and issue and selective the creditive and lines and with that lower interest rate to help the sector and overcome the issue it the facing. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.